Hi and welcome back in Learn Python 3 with Atif Masih Series. In this video, I will tell you about Python list. List is an ordered and changeable collection of similar and different types of data. It allows duplicate elements. And in Python, we can create list using square brackets. See here in the example. We have list 1 which have different elements with square brackets. See here, apple, banana, cherry, 27, and then again banana. You can see that list have different types of data and we can duplicate any element of the list. Now we will learn about changeable. How list is a changeable. We can change any element of list by specifying its index. See here. We have list 1 with elements apple, banana, cherry, and we can change any element by specifying its index. See here, list, and we can change element by its index. I have here index 2 and I want to change index to cherry to mangoes. See here. We can assign any value to the element of list by specifying its index. Now we will learn about list indexing. We can access any element of the list using its index. See here, if I want to access banana, then I must specify its index. See here. And next is a negative indexing. And also in list we can specify negative index, which means we can start accessing element from the last of list. If we specify -1, it means last element of list. See here in example. We have list with elements apple, banana, cherry. We can access last element, which is cherry, by defining its index -1. See here. And we can also access banana. See here, if I change index -2, see. And next is a range indexes, and also we can access multiple elements of list as string by specifying its range. And in range we have two parameters. First is a starting point and second is a ending point. And we have third one, which is a range or which is a step, and we will learn about in later videos. See here in example. We have list with elements apple, banana, cherry, orange, melon, and mangoes. And see here, list, and then I have placed some ranges 1 to 4 with colon. And when we use range in the list, starting element is always included, but the last element, which is the ending, is not included in the list when we print the list. It started from the index 1 See here, and then it stopped at index 3. 4 is not included. And one thing you have to remember, if we leave starting value, it will start from the 0th index. See here in the example. We have a list, and then to access the elements we leave starting parameter. See here, and it will start from the 0th index. See here, when we print the list using range function and we leave starting parameter. See here the result: apple, banana, cherry and orange, and it will not included the 4th index. And one thing more you have to remember, that by leaving out the end value, the range will go on to the end of list. See here in example. See here, when we print the string, we have defined starting index 3 and leave the ending, and it will go till the end of string. See here, and it will included the 3rd index. See here the result: 0, 1, 2 and 3. See here, this is a 3rd index, orange, and then up to end of the list. And next is a range of negative indexes, and we can also access the element of list by specifying negative range. See here, list 1 have elements apple, banana, cherry, orange, melon and mangoes, and you have to remember that last element have -1 index, and we can access using different indexes with minus sign. See here, list, and then we define a range with square bracket -4 to -1. See here, -1, -2, -3 and -4, and this will start from -4 up to -1, which is a last element of string, but it not included the last element. See here in the result. In this video we have learned about Python list. If you want to learn more about Python, please subscribe my channel and share my videos with your friends, and don't forget to click on bell icon. Thank you so much for watching my video.
Stay tuned. We'll be right back.